How to make bread Middle Eastern style. We will need the following: 2 cups of flour, some water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some oil. Mix the flour, sugar, and salt into the bowl. Add the oil, and then finally add some water. Keep kneading the dough for about 15 minutes until it becomes smooth. In a new bowl, grease it with oil, and then cover it and put it inside the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. After that, on a clean flat surface, sprinkle some flour. Stretch the dough and roll it over the flour until it's elongated. Next, you will need to divide the dough into smaller parts. For this example, I will divide it into 6 smaller parts, but you can divide it into as many pieces as you like. Then you will need to put some flour on the smaller part and flatten it using a rolling pin. Flip it and put some flour underneath. Once it becomes thin enough, you may flip it back and forth with both hands to shake off the remaining flour on its surface. Now it's ready to cook. Heat off a metal frying pan. Once it is hot, put in the dough and change the fire setting to low. Always check the dough until you see some lumps come out from its surface. Once you see those lumps, it's time to flip it on the other side. At this point, it will take about 30 seconds to 1 minute for the other side to be cooked. Then take out the bread using a metal tong. Take out the pan. Set the fire on high. Put the bread over the fire directly, and after 2 to 3 seconds, take it out and put off the fire. To make this Arabic bread more enjoyable to eat, you may add some fried egg, and of course, we pair it with a nice cup of coffee. Just in case you're wondering how to eat it, it's simple. You just need to take a small piece of the Arabic bread, then you take a small piece of the fried egg or whatever you have with you, then stuff it in, and that's it. Now you can enjoy this Middle Eastern bread wherever you may be. Again, this is Harold, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to click that like button below and click subscribe if you haven't done so. I'll see you on the next one.